Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. ## Event-driven programming in Java. Event-driven programming is a paradigm in which the flow of the program is determined by events, such as user actions, mouse clicks, keyboard presses, sensor outputs, or messages from other programs. In Java, event-driven programming is commonly used in graphical user interface (GUI) applications. ### Key concepts. 1. Events. These are actions that occur, such as a button click or a mouse movement. 2. Listeners. Objects that listen for specific events and define how to respond when those events occur. In Java, listeners are implemented as interfaces. 3. Event sources. These are objects that generate events, such as buttons, text fields, or windows. ### Java Event Handling Mechanism. Java provides a rich set of classes and interfaces to handle events. The main components involved in event handling are event objects. These contain information about the event. Event listeners, interfaces that define methods for handling specific types of events. Event sources, GUI components like buttons, text fields, and windows that generate events. ### Common event listener interfaces. Action listener, for button clicks and similar actions. Mouse listener, for mouse events. Key listener, for keyboard events. Window listener, for window events. ### Steps to handle events. 1. Create the event source. This could be a button, text field, etc. 2. Implement the listener interface. Create a class that implements the event listener interface. 3. Register the listener. Attach the listener to the event source. 4. Handle the event. Define the behavior in the listener method when the event occurs. ### Example, a simple Java Swing application. Let's create a simple Java Swing GUI application that demonstrates event-driven programming by responding to a button click. ### Prerequisites. Make sure you have Java Development Kit, JDK, installed on your system. You can use any IDE like IntelliJ IDEA, Eclipse, or even a simple text editor with the command line. ### Code example. ### Explanation of the code. 1. Import statements. Import the necessary classes from javax.swing and java.awt.event. 2. JFrame. Create a new window, frame, with a title. 3. JButton. Create a button that the user can click. 4. JLabel. Create a label to display messages to the user. 5. Action Listener. Implement the Action Listener interface using an anonymous class. The action performed method is overridden to define what happens when the button is clicked. 6. Add components. Add the button and label to the frame. 7. Visibility. Set the frame to be visible. ### Running the example. 1. Save the code in a file named event-driven-example.java. 2. Open a terminal or command prompt. 3. Navigate to the directory where the file is saved. 4. Compile the program using. 5. Run the program with. When you click the button, the label's text will change to button clicked, demonstrating a simple event-driven interaction. ### Conclusion. Event-driven programming is a powerful paradigm in Java for creating interactive applications. By understanding the core concepts of events, listeners, and event sources, you can build responsive GUI applications. This tutorial provided a basic introduction and example to get you started with event-driven programming in Java.